We had an amazing 2026 General Assembly that showcased the outstanding work of the entire consortium that has been performed in 2025. And it was really a realization of all we have done and what is the understanding we have, now, which is very different than what we had a year ago. So as we enter 2026, we are going to continue building on that knowledge. We have to build all the tools with an holistic approach to ensure that we move everything at pace in parallel, and we will influence how we can change that ecosystem by moving all the pieces together at the same time.
Hemos conseguido terminar de cerrar todos los órganos o cuerpos de gobernanza. El Ethics Advisory Board, que ya se había constituido, y hoy se constituye formalmente el Scientific Advisory Board con personas, gente de una gran experiencia que nos va a dar un gran soporte fundamental en este proyecto, con la colaboración también de la Agencia Europea del Medicamento.
First, we need to understand how community and groups interact today with each other. How do they meet? Where do people gather? How they exchange? We need to map this ecosystem. So once we have mapped all the groups, then we can try to understand how they want to interact, what is their common point, shared purpose, and then we will bring them together and ask them, how do you see this working?
This is an ongoing process, and we are trying to assess how participants are captured within the ECRFs of partners within READI.
We obviously take data privacy extremely seriously. We know that people are handing over what is effectively private healthcare information, and we need to make sure that that is treated in the right way.
We also would like to form an educational framework that allows to provide training to clinical trial sites to raise their level of capacity and to expand clinical research throughout Europe.
We expect to put into practice all the groundwork that has been laid in 2025. So, for example, in all the clinical trials that are going to start being brought to us, the Prioritization Development Committee will start working on them and try to see which outputs are better for each clinical use case.
We are connecting with other organizations, project, infrastructure, already working in trying to build a more inclusive clinical research. We do not want to reinvent the wheel, but we want to build on what is already existing and how we can share experiences, knowledge, and how together we can build a more inclusive clinical research ecosystem.